exactly what I'm thinking and what's going on and what I think you should do and how I can help. I mean, I'm not filled with all the answers. When I started my business, how many of you all seen me speak in the past? You all know that story. I'm going to tell the story that you've heard, how I got into this industry. For what? From the what? When I was the clown. I started doing singing telegrams. Thank you. I was doing singing telegrams at the age of 19, and they opened up a little store. And in the store, I had gifts, and I decorated it differently every single month. And a woman came in and asked me to do bar mitzvah. And I said yes. And then she laughed, and I called her and said, "What the hell's a bar mitzvah?" and it's the truth. I didn't know that world, and I've embraced it. And it's a lesson I learned that all of us in this room, including myself, never say no. Always embrace the moment, and then figure out how to make it happen, how to make it work. I mean, I come up with ideas for clients. I don't know how I'm going to execute it or install it in 2 hours when I probably need, 12 hours to do it. But we work through it and we make it happen. And then learn from so many mistakes, honestly. And you keep growing, and you embrace the mistakes, figure it out. You then sort of find a way to make it better the next time. So it's been this world, this journey, this experience. I mean, how many of you in this room are in the industry for less than 5 years? It's a lot of you. First of all, I commend you for sitting here, for taking the step to come to an event such as this, to learn from people in the business. When I started, not knowing what I was doing, I joined associations, I networked, I met with people, I picked the brains of those that had been in the industry longer than I have, and I found ways to truly understand what I needed to do to make myself different. That's the trick, by the way. How do you make yourself different? It's wonderful when I show you the photos of events. It's wonderful when experts in the industry talk about their success. But how do they get there? How do you become different? I've always said when I do an interview that I like to be a trend setter. It's very easy for all of us to copy all the work in the industry and trend followers, but you don't become any different than the person seated next to you. You need to find a way to make yourself put a mark on what you do. I've always created a moment where, I've said this too, that you look at yourself as a forecast. See yourself where you want to be today, where I'm standing here right now, where you're seated right now, and where do you want to be in 3 years? Does anyone know where they want to be in 3 years? You have to sort of figure that journey out and position yourself with a forecast for every 3 years and redevelop the forecast every 3 years. It does a couple of things. It puts you ahead of the competition. Secondly, it keeps you fresh, trendsetter, and you don't get burned out. Because this industry can burn you out. It can burn you out because you put your heart, your soul, your creativity, and something always puts that and puts a damper on it, and you need to get past it to the place where you can continue to enjoy it. Isn't that? This is one of my interns here. How are you? Who's that? Oh my gosh. Natalie intern. Natalie's a perfect example of an intern part of my company. You did something amazing. You're not sitting here as a pleasant person to talk to. Natalie came to me as an intern. You're from Arizona. She flew herself to New York, put herself up with a friend, with a cousin, right? A cousin. And she put herself through the program at my company. And then you flew yourself out to Los Angeles to participate in the actual filming of my show, which is where I'm living right now in Los Angeles. And here you are for the center seated here, which is remarkable. She's a perfect example of anyone who's an intern or being an intern and finding a way to learn. Now you're doing what I did when I was 18. And you're doing exactly what I tell everyone is that you learn from people that are in the business, but she doesn't do it in a pushy way. She's the kind of person that you would hire because she knows what she wants and she makes it happen. You got yourself a great girl. You raised yourself a great girl, which is amazing.